Welcome to Learn English Smoothly. Hello friends. In this video, you will learn how to ask and answer easy English questions like who do you talk to, or what do you do in the kitchen? Let's start speaking English together. Who do you help?
I help my father.
Who do you play with?
I play with my sister.
Who do you hug?
I hug my brother.
Who do you talk to?
I talk to my mother.
Who do you visit?
I visit my grandfather.
Who do you call?
I call my grandfather.
What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth.
What do you do after school?
I do my homework.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV.
What do you do at the market?
I buy vegetables.
What do you do in the classroom?
I listen to the teacher.
What do you do in the garden?
I water the plants.
What do you do in the kitchen?
I cook food.
Who do you play football with?
I play football with my friends.
Who do you sit with at lunch?
I sit with my friends at lunch.
Who takes care of you when you are sick?
My mother takes care of me when I am sick.
Who do you dance with at parties?
I dance with my friends at parties.
Who do you write letters to?
I write letters to my grandparents.
Great job! Keep practicing English every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English videos. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and you will speak English fluently. See you in the next video.